Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki nongelam kaseng kongres ni kasengi kala shongker ki habai day ber Jingkhlad no jong wei ni ki amale kaseng uba David nongrum habai keren bet kinong tho kubor u Dr. Mukul sangma wala pha ya ka kubor sngawlem shaki ba hayeng hasem bat shaki pajba ka constituency maurang kneng ki bala du no ya nongelam bakit ya ka khya ka shon joki nakaliang u Dr. Mukul wala penrabru da ka baong bakin yai kan mau ki kam ki ba utrei na ka benta ki pajba ki kam ki bau trai ki keren khamjam shu ula ongru bawat haswa ba uba David unrung sya ka kam sain perthai ula trai sitam na ka benta ki pajba jong ka thanyi baro ka wei ula benrabru ba uba David udai unongelam uba trai sitam na ka benta ki pajba ka jela ngala yu ya ka jing trai sitam jungu bat ngin yo shu kum uni unongelam uba trai sitam na ka benta ki pajba khamtam kiduk kirangli.
The leaders of the state and one of our dear colleagues have left us. In fact, we are shattered and deeply grieved with this untimely demise of our beloved colleague, David Nongrum. We have met the family, we have condoled this untimely passing away of our colleague, and subsequently as CLP we have met here to remember him. We fondly remember his contributions, which cannot be quantified in as far as his contributions for the upliftment of the people and the state as a whole is concerned. I have known him for a very long time, even before he was elected as a member of our August House. He was actively involved in politics in our party. Subsequently, he contested as an independent candidate and he was elected by people. Obviously, because people knew him well, he was well connected with the masses, and second time he was re-elected as the member of the Congress party with substantial margin, if you recollect, which again reflects how popular he was amongst his beloved electorates. And I have known him as a passionate and as a very committed leader who would leave no stone unturned to ensure that he is able to fulfill the aspirations of his people. You can yourself see the quantum of development that has taken place in the first innings that he had as an elected representative of his constituency. I myself have witnessed him launching some of the programs which were offshoot of his endeavor in convincing the government to really understand the needs of the people. And I'm sure we could have done much more had he been still alive. We will remember him for a long time. And vacuum that he has left obviously will be very difficult to be filled up. Not really easy to have these kind of leaders who is available round the clock for the people, particularly the people who belong to the vulnerable group, the downtrodden. We condole his passing away, and we will be with the family. Our prayers are with the family and all those beloved electorates who have elected him twice.
He was a man who was very approachable. He was very fiery at the same time. He was an individual who actually was willing to forget his own needs and requirements. Till yesterday, he was witnessed to be seen in a funeral of a constituent in his constituency. So this is the kind of legacy that he has left behind. I join hands with my CLP in delivering this message of great sense of loss to his family, his people. Kasorong kham kaladu, yunong yalam, ubadang kena, ubadang day banlong, ubriu, ubala, ban syarai. But ban penkeu, ya ketika constituency, ni pendem hakmat kataka hukum ublay. But ni barabor kum ki kristan lah hikai ni bangin long barabor kita kiba pam judo jingkermen. But ni ngen ublay try kenrat unwan lam kataka Jingshong kebajanai om tang ya ya kemensim jong iba David ibala no ini rekam tam lele ya ke constituency hi barok kawai war hakane kapor o bedum ha ulaka ya kate ke constituency rekom bangi ju i hakipor ke balalek ba ublay ushim re ublay pen biang tidak kata kecing kermen kristan ngingen ba ublay bahalor tam ba Khraw tam utip ya ke bula le bat ni pha ya ke ni ka Khraw jing ngolem om tang sya ka yen ka sem jong i sya ikpa jong i iba Charles Pongro sya ka kurim jong i bat sya barok kinong snong jong ka son kham constituency ngingen ba iba David hi in yalam denti yangi nalendek but in sa ayengi kidak kishin kumno ban pendep ikikam kibala ila no shite
Problem hari jam dalam kan CLP leader jam Dr. Mukul sama lembat ki kelik parti ya ke jing snolem ya ka kurim ki jong i lead David Enongru kumju ro yidi khun ki jong i hagaju ko por ya iba Charles Pongro kumri kupai ya ka Jingkhlad ka Kyndit ka jong i menam step ka Jingduh no jong ni kumwe na ki parlok MLA kumuhmen yang kalau Jingduh ka Khraw ya ka parti Indian National Congress ka jong kumju ru ya ka jela but kamdam ya ka 13 marung keneng constituency hakaba ulayo e jing i nagi patba ki babun but ulayo ru ya ka jing trilang na galiang nagi patba ki bala krishan yu arsin kenti but kani ke Jingkhlad Kyndit ke jing i kalong sya ke Jingduh ko Khraw hanga simet ni hakini ki license luna jing ai lenti jing i ku dinong khmat ulong hi kum unang prak dan ti ya unang penim ti abu gidan kina binung jing kum men bat kani ke Jingkhlad Kyndit ke jing ini kalong sisa ke Jingduh ko Khraw tinggi pha ke ni jing solem ya bahayeng bahasa baro kontrol ya ke kurim ki khun ki men ki para ki bi ki pa bo blame ai ke jing jat hat ya do not kam sim ke jing ni marngitim kumi kun bi jong blay habu phai ngia sla jong protein hakawi no wi sni ni ha ban ni ta tin ge jong blay ong i wi simrit in nam ha klem ge jing tip ge jong ba namar kata kum ki bangai hagi balang lo per ni don bi jing ye lo per ni don ni ha ban perkre ye le de bang ye le kat bala ban pre kham ba sa sit bi pha ge solen ye ba ye ba sam ka kurim ki khun Jong David Enongru mau beli air di Jingkhlad ya kan musim itu.